नमस्कार। न्यूज़ पोर्टल ट्रूथविंग पर आपका स्वागत है। स्मिथ अमेरिका में पिछले 4 सालों से जॉब कर रहा है। स्मिथ के जीवन में भारतीय संस्कार और संस्कृति का गहरा छाप +2 की पढ़ाई के दौरान पड़ा। स्मिथ समाज के द्वारा गुरुकुल परंपरा के तहत 2008 से संचालित मगध सुपर 30 के प्रथम बैच का छात्र थे। स्मिथ को जीवन का उतार चढ़ाव काफ़ी नज़दीक से देखने का मौका मिला जब वे मगध सुपर 30 में थे। कैसे गुरुजनों ने उनका मार्गदर्शन किया, छात्रों ने उसका हौसला अफजाई किया। उस वक्त की एसएसपी रही आर मल्लारवी जी और रेंज डीआईजी प्रवीण वशिष्ठ को आज भी याद कर स्मिथ बताते हैं कि दोनों ने उन्हें काफ़ी मोटिवेट किया, जिसके कारण वे अपनी मुकाम हासिल करने में सफल हो गए। आइए सुनते हैं स्मिथ की कहानी, उसकी जुबानी।
Hello everyone, my name is Smith and I'm from the first batch of Magad Super 30. I graduated in 2014 and I joined a company. Then I applied to some universities in US for my PhD program in computer science. I chose NC State to do my PhD and right now I'm working in a healthcare company since last 4 years. It's been around 12 to 13 years that I've been to Magad Super 30 for the first time. And there are still some memories which is still like in my brain. So you can think about how impactful those things are. So one of the amazing incident that you can say, there are many, but I can just say one right now, is like the way that the professors teach us over there. And one like different incident was how Abhinansa taught us about the alternating current and complex number. I'm talking about this specifically because I remember it every time when I think about Magad Super 30. So the way that he combined those two different subjects and then he like explained us everything, that was a very changing moment for me, that to always look things at a very different angle and to always think about a problem not just from one side but also from the other side. How can you think about it by combining it to other things in your life and other chapters or other like incidents in your life. And there were many other professors like Bian sir and Bijbhai sir, which I cannot thank enough. They were like always with us through our whole journey and they were helping us. There are different people also like I remember Mallarviji ma'am and Praveen Vasis sir. They always used to visit us and they encourage us every time that you should achieve like things in your life, and we always used to look up to them. So like if they have achieved this thing in their life, we should also follow them and go to the like walk on that path. So just don't think at like when you are in Magad Super 30 or if you are applying over there, just don't think at a very small moment that you can just pass in your life and not visit it back again. Because I'm still after 13 years, I remember that how 17, 18 students, we all used to live together over there. We used to eat together, study together, prepare for the exam together. And we always used to like joke at each other and make like create some fun time. These are some of the incidents that you will remember your whole life if you just have like you spend some time over there. Respect all the teachers, respect all your professors, all your elders over there, and learn and achieve something in your life. Thank you.